In this video, I will tell you that how to book multiple sector in Airblue airline. First of all, click on the multi-sector option. First of all, select your sector from where you want to travel, Islamabad to Dubai, then Dubai to Karachi, Dubai to Multan or Dubai to Karachi, and select your date here. Now select Islamabad to Karachi, and now you can click on the continue tab. Here you can see a different sector with date. Click on the continue tab. In the next window, you can see the detail of your ticket that you want to book for multi-sector. Islamabad to Dubai, Dubai to Islamabad, then Islamabad to Karachi. Now select your desired fare with baggage or without baggage. I have selected without baggage option. Now from Islamabad to Karachi, click your desired fare. If you have baggage, then click on the baggage option, and if you have no baggage, then click on without baggage option. The total fare which is counted 1,14,705 PKR. Now click on the continue tab, and your reservation will successfully completed. Now you can pay your ticket without any hesitation that you have successfully booked your multi-sector segments in Airblue airline. Now you can change your. I have added different other option in the segment from Karachi to Dubai. Then I have selected Dubai to Islamabad, and then Islamabad to Karachi. You can select a different fare. Now the fare is 1,20,285. Click on the continue tab. In the next window, you can see that you have successfully booked your ticket, your multi-sector ticket. Now put your data according to the passport card of the passenger, name, first name, your email address, as well as contact number of the passenger, passport number, expiry date, and other detail of the passenger. Put your credential carefully here. Now click on the continue tab. Here you can put your country, desired country. I have selected Pakistan, passport number and other detail, expiry date of the passport number and date of birth of the passport number. Now click on the continue tab. In the next window, you will see that I have successfully booked my multi-sector segments in Airblue airline, then you can click on the issue ticket option and you will successfully pay your ticket for multi-sector segments in Airblue airline. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly share the video, subscribe the channel, like the video and press the bell icon for further videos. Thank you.